Should you send offers on eBay? The answer is it depends. And I'm going to show you how to tell if it's right for you. It's going to depend depending on your business strategy, depending on your pricing strategy, depending on your inventory, depending on your competition. It's so hard to say what works for me, what works for someone else that you're watching on social media is going to work with you. So today's video, I am going to show you how to tell if sending out offers on eBay is right for you. So before we get into figuring out what it is, I'm going to tell you what it actually means. So on eBay, people can like your item and save it, basically save as a watcher. You will get notification on your eBay that you have a new watcher. So let's go ahead and I had the screen pulled up. So sorry, friends. Okay, so you will have items, and I am on my seller hub, I'm on listings, I'm on active. Over here you can have this little thing, send offers. It is available on the app. You cannot do it in bulk on the app, which is too bad. You can also not send out a coupon in bulk. But these send out offers, these are people that have liked your item and are watching it. You can send out offers in bulk. So you click this and you can send out an offer. It sends out the same offer to everybody. So if you don't want to send out the same offer to everybody, don't do it in bulk. And then you can also do a send coupon down here. I will link a video up here about coupons because that is not the purpose of this video, but that's how you send out an offer. Now, when you send out offers, does it actually work? That's the purpose of this video. I am going to show you how to tell if offers actually work. Send out those offers, try different strategies and see if it actually works. eBay gives you the data and analytics to figure it out. Now, if you're going to try different strategies, you need to give it probably 2 weeks to a month to 3 months, depending on how frequently of a seller you are. If you are a high volume seller, 2 weeks is probably enough time to really see a swing in your data move. If you're not selling a ton, you probably need to wait like maybe 2 or 3 months. Try this new strategy to see if it really works. So send out your offers, try this strategy. Now let's look at the chart that's going to actually tell us if it works. Keep the strategy the same. If you are on your performance, you come down to sales. If you scroll all the way down, I have lots of videos on all of these charts. So if you're interested more, check out my eBay tutorial playlist. Scroll all the way down. It's going to put you on the all sales tab. Come on over to the offer sales. This is going to tell you if these strategies that you're trying works. Best offer sales, seller initiated offers, that's going to be your offers. That is so best offer sales, this is people sending you offers. So if you're trying a new strategy with best offer sales, if you're saying, hey, I'm going to accept every single offer that someone sends me, I'm going to see if that moves up and down. Or hey, I'm going to counter every offer. That would be an interesting video. I should do that. I'm going to counter every single offer and see what happens. My guess is those best offer sales is going to decrease. I don't get a lot of counter offers accepted, but that's in my category. I would be interested to know what would happen with you. I'm writing that down. That's an interesting video, right? Make sure to subscribe if you guys want to see that video. Seller initiated offers. So this is sending offers. This is the seller is initiating the offer. My sale, so let's say I haven't tried a new strategy. I'm just showing you how to do it. But if I were to try a new strategy, my seller initiated offers have gone up 34%. And this could just be simply, hey, I'm trying a new strategy, and instead of sending 5% offers, I'm going to send 10% offers. Is sending another 5% going to swing this as well? And then sales with offers, this is just buy it now. Surprisingly, that's gone up 60%. How do you figure out that, right? That's going to be your highest percent. That's going to be your highest average sale price if it can go up that percent. Try a new strategy and see if it actually works for you. If you liked this video, YouTube thinks you'd also like this video. I will link my eBay tutorial playlist down here, and make sure to hit that subscribe button to learn how to make money reselling. If you want a little bit more support, you can also join my YouTube membership. Various different tiers for more mentoring.